Ekwa muni bunde mana egemanti bike ba wina nene na masem udo de la onyo bana biko na only actually kwa me na over the week just about 2 days ago because Sunday night stroke Monday morning news na gwa na enwe about 40 Christians over 40 Christians Igbo ha na one village no na Zik so no Zike in Basa local government area of Plateau State. I was brought up in Jos. I was brought up in Jos. So I know this Jos massacre, Jos crisis, I know Odomanya very well. Because what saved most of my uncle Jabata is that year in Jos because now Apaki in a church so and the Reverend Father Nodi, I think he rescued most of the cars, and my uncle's car was among the ones that were rescued that year in 2002. Where my first Jos crisis. Across my road, I will not forget. 2002. And I said, like this across my road. So I know this Jos crisis. I have witnessed it severally, uncountable. You gotta go. I've witnessed it severally. About money Ebonyi State and Aboyi in Jos. So this issue of killing anyone in Jos, or also na Jos can before I ever say I've not been around for a while. When video net trend again na social media, back na Enugu State, behind one blog na Instagram. You have a case to Ozum mother. Ozum dem mother na akpa. Or do not konye jela ahia. Ikechile hen and waterproof. Ikechile hen and waterproof. Te ya nima at that place. See, let us be realistic to ourselves. Our government are not helping the masses. Our government are not helping the masses, and them using the media as a form of defense in order to achieve their common goal. And for this thing as a form of ritual, people have started making sacrifices for election 2027. Now, protect and guide yourself. Be your brother's keeper. Because nandi na achi aya chori ma. Na ihe Rufai na Twitter being X, yeah. I think on Twitter called that very dark man and APs are making plans Igbo Chiata. Some of the girls that very dark man and APs are making plans to bring them back, and the government officials and they that in our safety that they have vowed to defend the people. Hana Achi. I'm not saying anything about it. Man, I put out today criticize their government. We keep all for government no boy alpha. But that government alpha now. Today, they will look for you that bologi. Man, this thing has been flying in a country whereby now the president vice president happens here in a country of lawlessness. If anybody not in power, and what does the human conscience? It takes the grace of God. Then can actually Benue State, I think, that's no Reverend Father call. How can you deprive people of their humanitarian service? Because no with our humanitarian service. You that stood your ground as a priest that should have the people interest at heart first before any other thing. What then are you preaching? Which in any manner the biggest law Jesus in your also the greatest among you is love. The greatest among you, again, but love. This issue of epathy in social media this movement of epathy where was it? Be constructive in what you are saying. Just to drag traffic to your page. The era of truth cannot be watered down. Small. Oh, when boy you lose, matter that na Bible say that you cannot light a candle and put it under the bed. You cannot. No matter how long it takes, by the time everywhere. Just because again, you can do nothing against the truth, but for the truth. everyday ndị mmadụ na-anwụ n'ala Igbo anyị. Ndị na-asị ka eweta Biafra, yes, we are encouraging for Biafra ịbịa, but on which platform ka that Biafra ya abịa? Or this platform of nwanne na-ele nwanne ya? On this platform of nwanne achọrọ ifu ka ihe ga-alụ nwanne ya? Or this platform Matthias na ndị otu ya na-epush an agenda that will make you to hate your fellow Igbo because na na-eje ụka? Ka ọ na this era Maazị Dibia na-achọ ka o mee gịnị? Ka ọ dịtụrụ na Matthias, ka o webata agọmọjị na ịfụ kaikai? Ka ọ this era pastor nke a na-agba pastor nke awụ of this era of ndị adoration na attack ndị Zion ministry? Or na this era nwana ka Biafra nwana ya abịa? We need to sit down and know where we got it wrong first. I am ebe I get it wrong. Number one thing in the beginning with that unity. Aziza Dunugwu ada agbachi agbaji. Aziza Eke Kolono ada agbaji. Let us limit the way we sell land in Igbo land. Let us limit the way we sell land. Let us limit the way we sell it. Let us limit the way we sell it. It's high time I be the Jubande buy ndo Kenya ajuju. Now what happened? Kedi ihe mere ndị Hausa ji akpagalele na our bushes. Kedi ihe mere ndị Fulani na akpagalele na our bushes. All this ndị dibịa na-eji ego na ma ego achụ aja ego nke anụ. Mgbe mmali ihe ọ ya bụ achọ ego ifi eme akpọ na phone or achọ we zeje mmadụ ugwu Hausa eje gote that in 2 weeks before eme ya we bill that in abata. A na-enwe boundary na. Okay, development abịa go to make it easier. Then where is the boundary ekwesịghị ime? All through the Bible, it is being written that even Satan himself has the starting with Job. In the life of Job, but to live his life alone is a command. Adam and Eve, then why are we living as if I am married here people and then marry here? Most times in this in the nature here our people name like this. On Adam Conwell, and will only the people brain I believe. And will only people brain I. It's time that the local government chairman now we begin to ask them questions. Now allocations now but at this state. Kidi hijame. Allocation now but most of us now, most of you people that will come across this video will now borrow the name of your local government chairman. If people don't know it. Many people, they don't know it. They don't know the name of their local government chairman. Because na gini me, onyo buna bia shift blame me ha. Nebe tinubu no. This thing has been programmed. Just like your mobile phone. Your phone has been programmed to have network. Even you go to phone now, no get a phone now, no login a beg without a SIM card in here. It's as good as not having phone. So now you be this phone being your local government chairman and them SIM card being Tinubu, in the sense that once it had this SIM card here, it's been programmed to receive network. And you can call anybody you want, both outside the country, because now this system has been programmed to answer you that way. Most of us, I am a local government chairman. And I go ihe kwesịrị na-akọ onye nke na-epush agenda nka onye nke na-epush agenda nka ihe onye ọbụla dị mma ya bụ akpịa in as much as that in favors you. Tomorrow you go and give thanksgiving na church say na ihe amele gị. Tomorrow you go and give thanksgiving na okwalose gị na ihe amele gị. You people glorify corruption because na gị me no na favor na ka ndị Yoruba si mechisi ọnụ kịta. Na ka ndị Yoruba si mechisi ọnụ because na gị no one ha nwoke no in power. All thanks to God on here Erufai na achọ nwetere because obu no nwetere he wouldn't have been speaking by now. Obu no nwetere ihe na o na achọ no Nigeria nwa ihe nketa anu nwa nwa president is what is doing the work of vice president. A country of lawlessness. Our problem is religion. Let's begin to tell ourselves the truth. But they are bringing this issue of religion, hearty religion or work, hearty tribalism. Our problem is religion and tribalism. Our problem is lawlessness. Ni yeje no obodo oyibo that you cannot snap somebody's picture without his consent is because na in atu egwu ijenga. Not that you cannot do that thing, because now the system has been programmed to look for you anywhere you go. Obodo church program ya. Obodo tribe program ya. It has been programmed to look for you anywhere you go. After I say China, there are some things you cannot say. China wanted with corruption today, it's automatically death sentence. How many of our leaders can you hold responsible for corruption today? It's a death sentence. It ever since independence has been a recycling of Nigeria. Everybody that have wants to rule this country have a case of corruption on his head. Has a case of corruption on his head. Afotanu be afona onya nke anu agene echike background afona na onya nke anu but the blameless. Hai nekwu ebolo gene. Learn to protect yourself. Ndị igwe na ndị na-achị obodo. It's time people came in mass and protect the people. Onye nye contract law, we are not asking for much. They cannot swear to here just because now a stupid man, somebody na marry here, you get a wire transformer. Somebody na marry here. He has him no here kita no tribe. He has him no church. Costly. You get a transformer. Light of over 300 people in use it. Just a transformer. Everybody has been in darkness since. And the data at the area, so look at how What is really happening? Most times now, what is really happening? It's time we begin to hold our Igwe, your PG Obodunu, your local government chairman, your governors, your again representative. Every local government, when they are representative in a house of assembly, what are they doing there? What are they doing? Or you could see an engineer no work or something, but you have time to ask them a question. Mr. Man, what I don't know the name of my local government chairman. I don't know his name. Man, allocation now better for villages. Allocations now better for local governments in your areas. What are they doing with that money? What are they doing with it? Can any of them come out and be accountable? Can any of them come out and be accountable? If you have a voice, speak. I asked you yanbaba na nwunye ajụjụ before I end this video. Yanbaba na nwunye, because ever since you made that video about band A and band B, because ọkụ anazi adịnụ. Yanbaba na nwunye. Ever since you made that video about band A or band B, ko ndị nwanne but unu appear na Arise television men ọkụ anazi adị. Even NEPA are threatening to go a total blackout. And actually, me a common thing. Or this is like darkness will a common thing. If you have the opportunity to travel outside this country, a man occur with the least thing you can even think about. Light, internet, safety. These are the most common things you can even think about. A man is in charge of your feeding, your bills, man, however, those basics need are not being met. In Nigeria, your safety, trailer na no you fairly break. School na beg stray bullets can come there and visit you. A man that teaches how these things, a man no chukuna in this country, because the system has been programmed to oppress you in as much as they want somebody not here. But I just pray that somebody will arise one day and know that enough is enough. It's time we begin to ask questions. Ndị baa na steady n'ime ọhịa. A na-egbu ndị mmadụ every day na ana Igbo anyị. A na-atọ ndị mmadụ every day na ana Igbo anyị. Ọ bụ si gịnị nọ? Or gịnị nọ? You don't naturally or gịnị nọ? What is happening? Is it not a high time we come back to our senses and know that we don't have any other place apart from this one I know here? ndị ọchịchị gbuchazie ndị ha ya achị. But it baffles me that during election polling unity a na-ebute boxes na your villages, those rural areas efu na ụzọ anara aga, those areas efu na moto ama nga n'ọsọsọ ọkada ji aga na a ebute vote maka election. Mana when the time comes for you to achieve, for them to do what they are supposed to do for you, asị gị na ama mbanwu di a whole governor mepere ọnwụ si na ọmara activities of Boko Haram in your state. Is that not a rascality and carelessness? Is that not the highest level of rascality and carelessness? Or the highest level of it that I have never seen? The school system is down already. But that one, my goodness, is a story for another day. God,